10 Most Beautiful Asian Women in 2025. Number 10. Dilraba Dilmurat. A renowned Chinese actress, Dilraba is celebrated for her stunning looks and incredible talent. Known for her roles in popular Chinese dramas like The Flame's Daughter and Eternal Love, she consistently ranks among the most beautiful women in Asia. Number 9. Lisa. Thai rapper and dancer Lisa, a member of Blackpink, has captivated audiences worldwide. Her charismatic stage presence and doll-like features have earned her a spot on numerous beauty rankings. Lisa is not only a global music sensation, but also a fashion icon, collaborating with luxury brands like Celine and Bulgari. Number 8. Liza Soberano. Known for her angelic beauty and versatile acting, Filipino-American actress Liza Soberano has been celebrated for her natural charm. At first look, she feels as if she is a fairy who can never be a real person. Number 7. Fan Bingbing. Fan Bingbing from China has a tender porcelain skin, almond eyes, and a delicate jawline that creates a timeless, doll-like elegance. Her symmetrical features and ethereal beauty make her an icon across Asia. Number 6. Song Hye-kyo. From South Korea, Song Hye-kyo is known for her flawless, soft skin, gentle eyes, and subtle smile that exudes elegance. Her natural charm and grace define her as a symbol of effortless Korean beauty. Number 5. Ivana Alawi. Ivana shows the utmost Filipino beauty, sun-kissed skin, big expressive eyes, and high cheekbones that give her a radiant, exotic look. Her natural beauty and captivating smile embody Filipino allure. Number 4. Devika Horn. Devika's chiseled jawline, captivating eyes, and flawless complexion reflect her Thai-Belgian heritage. Her natural elegance makes her a standout in Asian entertainment. Number 3. Mehwish Hayat. Representing Pakistani beauty, Mehwish is known for her almond eyes, arched brows, and sharp features that exude bold beauty. Her confident presence enhances her captivating charm. Number 2. Zhang Ziyi. Zhang shows how beautiful Chinese women can be. Her porcelain complexion, delicate nose, and expressive eyes define classic Chinese beauty. Her manners and grace make her an enduring icon. Number 1. Deepika Padukone. Deepika is an Indian actress known for her intense eyes, sculpted cheekbones, and dusky complexion epitomizing Indian beauty. Her charisma and elegance have elevated her global appeal. Here's a quick question. Which of these Asian women do you find most beautiful and angelic?